The state-level youth exchange program in Meghalaya commenced today, the 17th of October 2023, bringing together over 650 young talent from all over the 12 districts. They gathered for a week of cultural interaction, idea exchange, learning and talent showcase. The program, scheduled from October 16th to the 20th, is supported and organized by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya. It promises to be a memorable and enriching experience for the youth participants. The event was held at the Convocation Hall at the Nehu campus, Maukan Shillong, where the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, R. Kurba, graced the inaugural ceremony as the chief guest. Also present were P.B. Warnongbri, the Assistant Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, A. Swear, the former State Secretary, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Atul J. Nikam, State Director, NYK, F. Rumnong, State NSS Officer, District Sports Officers, and G. E. Lingdo, who is the former DSO. The participants will engage in a wide array of activities such as folk song and folk dance competitions, guitar and flute competition, debate and extempore speech, one-act play with the theme Mission Life, talent hunt, and adventure activities. The program is set to run until the 20th of October 2023 and will feature an award ceremony for the various competitions and promises to be a grand celebration of Meghalaya's diverse and dynamic youth, with the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, Shaklyar Warjri, scheduled to attend the closing function as the chief guest. The chief guest on the inaugural function, R. M. Kurba, expressed enthusiasm for the remarkable potential of the state's youth. She encouraged the young participants to be open-minded and make the most of this unique opportunity to learn from each other, celebrate their diverse cultures, and develop their life skills for all-round development.
The best of me, I wanted